Probably, it's a good thing we talked about that, because that wouldn't have looked that great, I think, basing it off the house.
Right.
With artistic landscaping, we'll bring your beautiful dreams to life.
So here we are, we're on the process of laying bricks here right now. We've got all the product here, which I'm very happy with. We're happy with the product. I got a little layout here on the table here ready for you to show you what our game plan is. Okay, we're going to be laying bricks today. We got 2 different thicknesses. We got 5 different companies and corporation that we're going to incorporate on this project. So I'm very happy with that. 10-4. We're also going to, right now we're grading it, what we call screeding, and getting it all really detailed. Okay, really nicely detailed. This is a soldier course. This is going to be the Onyx inner soldier course, and then we're going to lay this stuff here on a 45-degree angle. Then we're also marking right now the spots on the driveway that are a little bit low, so we can fill them in with the screeding. Okay? That's it, Travis. You got to reach. 2 hands on there. Got to keep the broom going from up and down. Okay? Very important. You always got to keep on them. Okay? And that's really, really imperative to make sure everything is graded properly on that. So we got 3 different colors of stone we're laying here this morning. Then what we're going to incorporate when we're doing that is making sure it's on a 45-degree angle and everything is adjusted properly. So that would be your 45. So if you went at a string line, boom, and then 45'd off that, at least that would match that. And whatever happens with the garage floor, happens with the garage floor. Okay?
Yep.
All right?
No
That's
problem.
probably, it's a good thing we talked about that. Because that wouldn't have looked that great, I think, basing it off the house.
Right.
You know? When you guys run a string down here, like this, just make sure that whatever angle this 45 is, matches that 45. Okay? Try not to have it kind of cockeyed this way or that way.
10-4.
All right, any questions? Okay? Super duper. All right, so I'll be back shortly here.
All right, so first of all, we're just trying to get this line. Once we get this, going to grab a tape measure. Okay. There's our angle. Okay. So now you guys have to keep bringing bricks. Okay. We obviously need 3 different sizes. Bring a brick. We're gonna lay it, and we're gonna just keep moving forward. Okay. Stop. Well, keep going a little farther. Good. Right there.
Wouldn't that be too?
Well, we don't make it past the line, right?
Oh, no, because it's going to give you another little one like you've got there.
See another large one? Try him right here.